Look back there, it's the office from the show The Office. Dun, 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 dun. Hey everybody, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and it is now time, that time of month, for the Cache Crate unboxing. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance boxes up geocaching goodies for you, and they come directly to your door, and I open them so you can see what it's like to open them. And I love it because the Cache Crate always inspires me to do something in the realm of geocaching. That's what this channel is about. That's what the Cache Crate is about, is to inspire you and supply you to go on more geocaching adventures. So this Cache Crate is the July 2021. I have not opened it. I just unsealed it. I'm gonna be surprised, just like you, unless you are already a part of the Crate crew. Then you won't be surprised because you probably opened yours already. Here we go. Look at that presentation. Oh, the wind is helping me unbox it. Oh my gosh, I'm already spying some of the stuff in here. First thing, oh my gosh, I love the design of this, is a memory lane lapel pin. I'm gonna put that on my jean jacket. I love some geocaching fashion. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fashion. So far so good. Oh my gosh, yes, you cannot have enough of these, people. This is a Write in Rain logbook, and you cannot have enough of these. You guys, if you've ever checked out Write in Rain, it's waterproof paper. The water just like beads off this stuff, and it does not soak into the paper. Super high quality. I pretty much only use Write in Rain paper in all my new hides. Geocachers love patches. We have a Celebrate 20 Years of Geocaching patch. I have to sew that one on. We got, what is this? We got some medicine. It looks like we have some Afterbite itch relief. Oh my gosh, the last few days, I have not been prepared. I have not put on my cache pants like they're on today. It looks like this is to help out with bug bites. It also helps out with rashes due to poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac. Oh my gosh, this should be in every geocacher's bag. Love it. Perfect. I don't think I've ever gotten anything like this in a crate before. So I said the Cache Crate always inspired me, and usually inspires me to do something in the world of geocaching, but I did get into some poison ivy last night, so I'm gonna try the Afterbite on an itchy spot and see if it actually works. There's a spot here I've really been itching. A little dab will do ya, folks. It kind of has like a cooling effect, and in fact it does take the itch away. You can't have enough geocaching containers. Got a nice one here. Ooh, this is new. It even has the geocaching logo on top of it. Well done, Lisa, well done. I don't know about you, but I'm a real fan of the practical things, and we got something that I almost purchased one of these, and now I don't have to. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. I need my knife. It's a geocaching.com face mask. Oh, yes. Oh, it's actually very comfortable, and the geocaching logo is right there. I can breathe pretty well. It's close to the face. This is my favorite thing. This is my favorite thing this month. I've been struggling to find a really good mask, and this is it. I don't know about you, but do you have your glasses fog up? And it's tight enough to my face, and there's elastic right here that it's not fogging up. Oh my gosh, and as you know, I always get the add-on trackable, and the add-on trackable is so appropriate. It's a little smiley face Geocoin with a mask. Look at, I don't know if you noticed this, but on the mask, you see that? It's like, the design is like a terrain. Like on the geocaching map, when you look at the terrain, it looks like there's like terrain on there. That's really smart. Oh, that's so perfect. Well done, Cache Advance team. And I also have my July bingo card sticker. All right, if you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. If it's open, you can subscribe, or if it's not quite open, you can join the waiting list. And now I'm going to take my itch-free legs out geocaching. Thanks for watching.